and welcome to our webinar on using the College Opportunity Fund. This webinar will explain how COF is applied to the RN to BSN programs at UCCS. Classes in the RN to BSN and dual enrollment RN to BSN programs fall under a fixed tuition rate of $367 per credit hour. This rate is much lower than the normal undergraduate tuition rate at UCCS. In order to secure this lower rate, UCCS offers RN to BSN classes through the Extended Education Department, which specializes in online coursework. Classes in this department are not eligible for College Opportunity Fund. This reorganization allows UCCS to keep tuition for RN to BSN programs affordable without having to use COF. As you see in this cost breakdown, tuition for the RN to BSN programs is actually cheaper through extended education than it would be using COF. The average RN to BSN student takes about 6 credits each semester. On the left is the cost breakdown for traditional online classes at UCCS with COF applied. The total cost is about $3,471. On the right is the cost breakdown for the RN to BSN programs. Notice that there are no extra fees because the fees have been built into the tuition costs. You'll end up saving over $1,200 for 6 credits without using COF. It's important to remember a few things when thinking about COF. If you're a dual enrollment student, you can still use COF funding for your associate's degree classes through your community college. UCCS will apply our tuition charges first, then your community college will apply their tuition charges with COF benefits. This also works with the consortium agreement, which you can learn more about on our website. Tuition for the RN to BSN programs at UCCS is the same for in-state and out-of-state students. This is another benefit to offering classes through extended education and demonstrates our commitment to serve nurses nationwide. And finally, wherever you decide to go for your RN to BSN program, it's important you understand what fees are associated with tuition costs. Some programs have fees built into their tuition structure, like UCCS, and some programs will have other fees in addition to the per credit hour cost. Make sure you do your research before committing to any program. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of the College Opportunity Fund. We encourage you to visit our website for more information or contact us directly with any questions. We look forward to welcoming you to our UCCS family.